Probably.
Don't wind it in.
Yeah. You can take it out.
It's a bit hot.
It might be a crab. Dad.
Just slowly.
Yeah, stop following me. Ah.
Oh,
Yeah, there is a crab on it. Hang on, Noah. Stop.
Really?
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no, you got a crab.
No!
Oh, yeah.
Oh
Now
my
why did you
gosh,
stop
you got
me?
a crab.
No, it wasn't going up because the thing was on.
What was on?
The spool.
What's
It-
full?
It's so they can take it. So that's why it wasn't coming up. It was too heavy.
Oh my
But
god.
luck.